Hi, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to see the permanent assistant professor as well as associate professor vacancies notification from the two different universities. So one college is maintaining by the Ministry of Education and second one is Ministry of Textile. So here the opportunity is there for the candidates PG with or without UGC NET or PhD, and the salary is up to 1,82,400 rupees per month. So before going into the main content of this video, here one announcement is that the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET December 2020 cycle exam. So from April 7th onwards, the revision through the previous year questions for the paper 1 as well as the electronic science. Okay, so utilize this opportunity guys, and the details regarding this one I kept at the end of this video, and the links I kept in the description box of this video. Coming to the present content of the video. Here the first college is Kendriya Hindi Sansthan from Agra. So it is under the Ministry of Education, Government of India. So vacancies in the academic post. So applications are invited from Indian citizens on prescribed format for filling up the following vacant positions in teaching cadre at the Kendriya Hindi Sansthan, headquarters Agra. So you may check down here, Associate Professor level 13A in the linguistic subject under the unreserved category 1 vacant seat is there. And coming to the assistant professor, education department as well as the Hindi literature. So both these two, and each and every department or the subject is having the 2 vacancy under the unreserved category, and here OBC 1, SC 1 and Hindi literature under the ST category 1. So here the total assistant professor vacancies are 7 and associate professor vacancy is only 1. So in the assistant professor, the level 10 category it is, that is the salary is in between 57,700 to 1,82,400 rupees per month. And the detailed advertisement you will get available in the official website, that is khsindia.org. I will show you that website now. And the duly filled application forms containing all the relevant annexures from candidates who have the requisite qualifications and experience will be accepted latest by the 10th May 2021 is the last date. Okay, so you have to send through the speed post or registered post only. Okay, and KHS will not be responsible for any postal delays. And the qualifications, experience, publications will all be considered as per the UGC regulations 2018. Fine. So these are the details, guys. And it is the official website of this college, Central Institute of Hindi. You may check down. So here the KHS requires to fill up vacancies on various posts. Okay, so here the advertisement and application form. So click on the application form, then you will be directed to fill up the form, guys. So you have to fill up this form and take the necessary documents whatever they are asking. So enclose all these things, okay, and then send to the mentioned address within the mentioned last date. Okay, guys. So these are the details regarding this advertisement. And the next one is Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel International School of Textiles and Management. So it is autonomous institute under the Ministry of Textiles, Government of India. So from this one, the recruitment of assistant professor on ad hoc basis is that. So assistant professor, textiles, apparel and fashion, total 3 number of vacancies. And coming to the assistant professor in management as well as the mathematics or statistics. Okay, each one vacancy is there. So coming to the eligibility criteria for the textiles, B and MTech in the textiles or apparel or the fashion. Okay, or master's degree with 55% with NET, SLET or SET qualification. So for the textile, there is no requirement of the NET, SLET or PhD qualification. I mean, that is not mandatory. And coming to the assistant professor in management, so first class or equivalent in master's degree in business administration or equivalent, or textile management or apparel management or retail management with specialization in the marketing and HRM. And 2 years relevant experience is desirable. That means it is not, experience is not the essential, it is just desirable only. Okay, so if you are having the PG in the management, then in these mentioned sections, then you may apply, guys. No need of UGC NET or the PhD qualification. And coming to the assistant professor in mathematics or statistics, so the master's degree with 55% of marks, and the preference will be given to the PhD and the NET or SLET qualified candidate. So they're just asking the preference, that means it is not mandatory here. And the period of appointment is for a period of 11 months. And the selection against the contractual position shall not confer appointee any right of making the permanent or the regular. And the consolidated salary will be paid 30,000 to 50,000 rupees per month based upon the qualification, experience, achievements and other academic credentials of the deserving candidate. Application fee is of 500 rupees and you have to take the DD in favor of the director, SVP, ISTM, or you may do the NEFT transfer. You may take the DD or else you may do the NEFT transferring. So here all the account details are mentioned here. So transaction details of application fee to be sent along with the filled up application. And soft copy of the filled up application with supported documents has to be sent to the mentioned mail ID, or else you may send the hard copy of the filled application form with appropriate documents to this mentioned mail ID within 15 days of the date of publication of this advertisement. So you may send through the soft copy or else you may send through the hard copy. Fine. So these are all the details, guys. And here the application for the post of assistant professor is mentioned here. So you have to fill up all these things. After filling up, it's better to send the soft copy to the provided mail ID, or else if you are flexible sending the hard copy, then you may send, guys. Okay. So I will provide all the necessary documents at the end of the description box of this video. That means the links. Okay, you may go through that one. So to get the more notifications, please subscribe, and the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here one announcement follows. So listen, guys. Hi friends, my name is Ashwini Kumar, Unacademy educator. So all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform, and it is providing the very good content to the learners who are preparing for the competitive examinations. And from this video I want to bring you one notice that I'm going to start the 2 new courses for the UGC NET candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in 2021. So the course number 1 is complete course for the NTA UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude. So that it is going to start from November 9th onwards. And coming to the paper 2 is the electronic science. So the complete course for the electronic science is going to start from November 10th onwards. So the interested candidates may take the subscription plan of the Unacademy, that I will show you the different types of subscription plans. But before going to those subscription plans for the paper 1 and as well as to the paper 2, one thing that I want to share you is that if you want to check how the lectures will be, and why, because each and everybody is having some dilemma that before taking the subscription plans, that whatever the content I am going to teach you, so how the content I'm going to give you, so whether you can able to understand or not. So for that purpose, I will provide my Unacademy profile link in the description box of this video, guys. So if you click on that one, then you will be directed to this web page. So here, if you scroll down, you can check the special classes. So special classes means these are the completely free classes. So every month I'm going to take the free classes to the candidates. So if you click on this see all, then all my special classes that you can check down here, right? So if you click on these classes, then whatever the video classes I took at that date and time, so those videos will play. So with the help of these videos, you can decide that how I am going to deliver the content of the concepts and each and everything. So based upon that one, you may take the subscription plans, guys. Okay. And if you want to check that how I am going to teach the UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude, so it is my official YouTube channel link for the paper 1 that you can check down. I will provide this link also in the description box of this video. So here I did the complete unit 1, that is the teaching aptitude here by taking the total 6 parts. So it will be acts like the reference to you that how I am going to teach you, whether you can able to understand or not. So by looking all this content, that means the electronic science from the Unacademy app and from the YouTube channel, you can guess that how I am going to teach the paper 1. So by looking all these things, you can decide